Hello students, today we are going to start a new video on straight line. In this video we will discuss about angle between two straight lines. So you can see that here two lines are there, L1 and L2. Okay, now between L1 and L2 we have two angles, one is theta and one is phi. It is clear that theta plus phi is equal to 180 degree, okay. So how to find this theta or phi, because if you can find one of them you can clearly find the angle between straight lines. So what we can do, we draw a coordinate system. Suppose this is there, okay. So we have this coordinate system, this is x, this is y, okay. Now this line forms an angle alpha 1, or you can say simply alpha. L1 forms alpha with the positive direction of x-axis, and L2 forms beta with the positive direction of x-axis, okay. Now this is theta, so being vertically opposite angle, this is also theta. Now let m1 equal to 10 alpha, m2 equal to 10 beta be the slope of line L1 and L2, okay. From here from these angles we can see that clearly beta is equal to alpha plus theta, because exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. This is a standard result from class 10 geometry. So beta is equal to alpha plus theta. From this line I can write theta is equal to beta minus alpha. This implies tan theta is equal to tan of beta minus alpha. We have standard trigonometric result which shows that tan beta minus tan alpha is divided by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. So from here I can write m2 minus m1 whole divided by 1 minus m1 m2. So this is tan theta, okay. So this is the angle between two straight line, but we have, as discussed earlier, theta plus phi is equal to 180 degree. Now this is something like that, and this is the angle. We have find this theta, this phi is also angle between two straight lines. So how to deal with this? Now what is this phi? Phi is nothing but 180 degree minus theta, and tan phi is equal to tan of 180 degree minus theta. This is simply minus of tan theta, okay. So tan phi is equal to this, so I can write minus of m2 minus m1 whole divided by m1 m2. So in general we can write the angle between this as, if we are talking about acute angle, so tan theta. So using this two I can write tan theta is the mod of m2 minus m1 whole divided by 1 minus m1 m2, okay. So finding this modulus of this value can easily give you angle between two straight lines. So let us see a problem. Find the angle between the two straight lines inclined with the positive direction of x-axis at an angle 45 degree and 30 degree. Okay, so what is the solution then? We have alpha equal to 45 degree and beta equal to 30 degree. So slope of line 1 is m1 equal to tan 45 degree. What is tan 45 degree? It is nothing but 1. Slope of line 2 is m2 equal to tan 30 degree, that is 1 by root 3. So I can write, let theta be the angle between line 1 and 2. Then tan theta, what is the formula? Is nothing but mod of m2 minus m1 whole divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay, simply I can write this is 1 minus 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. This is nothing but root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. So here I can write, this is third, so I can write minus root 3 square divided by 2. So this is 2 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. This is simply 2 minus root 3. Sorry, this is nothing but this is 4. So 2 minus root 3. Okay, so this is how you can find the angle between two straight lines. There is another problem. Find the angle between two straight lines x plus y equal to 7 and 2x plus 3y equal to 9. Okay, so equation of line is given, so you have to find the slope of these two lines. So there is a concept called gradient form, okay, or slope intercept form. Here if you have a line, suppose ax plus by is equal to c, then we can write this as by is equal to minus ax plus c, or y is equal to minus a by b x plus c. Okay, if we can write this the line in this form, then this value is slope and this value is intercept, or precisely x intercept. Okay, so we can find slope using this expression. So what are the equation of lines given in the question? X plus y equal to 7 and 2x plus 3y equal to 9. So lines plus y equal to 7 and 2x plus 3y equal to 9. So line 1, line 2. So I can write 1 implies y is equal to minus x plus 7. What is the slope? m1 equal to minus 1, and 2 implies y is equal to minus 2 by 3 x plus 3. So slope m2 equal to minus 2 by 3. Okay, let theta be the angle between 1 and 2. Then tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. So here I can write mod of 2 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 whole divided by 1 minus 2 by 3. So simply calculate these numbers. So this is 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 3, and this is nothing but 1. Okay, so this clear is 1. So theta, tan theta equal to 1, this implies theta is, we can write 45 degree. If you don't know the value, suppose tan theta is equal to, suppose it comes 1 by 2, so you leave it in that case. Otherwise, if you know the angle, then you just write the angle. So this is how you can find the angle between two straight lines if the equation of the line is given. Okay, parallel and the perpendicular lines. If L1 and L2 be two lines and M1 and M2 be their slope respectively, then when L1 is parallel to L2, this implies tan theta is equal to 0, means angle between them is 0 or either 180 degree. Okay, so if it is not that, tan theta is not equal to 0, sorry, angle is 0, theta is 0 or 180 degree. So this implies tan theta is equal to 0. In either case, tan theta equal to 0. This implies mod of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2 is equal to 0. This implies m1 equal to m2. It means, therefore, L1 parallel to L2 implies and implied by their slope are same. So when L1 is perpendicular to L2, this implies theta equal to 90 degree. This implies cot theta equal to 0 because tan theta is undefined. So cot theta equal to 0, this implies 1 plus m1 m2 divided by m2 minus m1 is equal to 0. This implies m1 m2 equal to minus 1. Therefore L1 perpendicular to L2 implies and implied by m1 m2 product of the slope is -1. So this is how you can find the this is how you can find the find whether lines are parallel or perpendicular, just computing the slope. If the slope is same, then lines are parallel. If you multiply the slope and get -1, then the lines are perpendicular. Okay, so this is how we find the angle between two lines and whether they are parallel or perpendicular. So in this video, this is already a long video, so I am finishing this video now. If you want some problems related to parallel and perpendicular line, though we discussed this part in the family of parallel and perpendicular lines, but still, if you have any confusion, if you have any question regarding this, put it in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much.